Good morning, students. Yesterday we are discussing about applications of derivatives. In applications of derivatives, type number one, that is derivative of rate measure. Okay. Now based on that, to solve some more problems, before solving the problem, you must remember some important basic formula. You know all those things. What are those? That is area of circle pi r square, volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube, area of rectangle length into breadth, then volume of cube a cube or x cube, then total surface area of cube 6a square or 6x square, lateral surface area of cube 4a square or 4a square, then circumference of circle 2 pi r, volume of cylinder pi r square h, volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h, then perimeter of rectangle, what is that? 2 times L into B, L plus B. Okay, so 2 times L into B or 2 times L plus B, not L into B, L plus B, I think. Okay, now these are the important basic formula. So based on that, now problem number 4, very simple question. Now here the question, an edge of a cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. Now the question, how fast is the volume of cube increasing when the edge is 10 centimeter? Edge nothing but side. Now here what is to be given? Now here edge is given. Now let x be the edge of a cube. Side, edge is nothing but side. And v be the volume of cube. X be the edge and V be the volume of cube. Okay, you know that what is the formula for volume of cube? V is equal to x cube. Remember that formula. Now given according to the question, input is an edge of a cube is increasing at the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Edge denoted by dx. dx by dt is given 3 centimeter per second. Okay. Now the question, how fast is nothing but find the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Volume of cube. To calculate dv by dt when edge means side denoted by x is equal to 10 centimeter. To calculate dv by dt, very simple question. So differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of v with respect to t, dv by dt. Derivative of x cube 3x square with respect to different variable dx by dt, that is 3. X value 10 square, dx by dt value 3. Totally how much? 10 square 100. 3 into 100 into 3, that is 900. Volume, measurement of units, cubic centimeter per second. Clear? Okay. Yes. Next, problem number 5. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves move in a circle at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of circular wave is 10 centimeter, now the question, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? Very simple question. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ ಕೃತಿಕ್ ಬೈದಿರ್ತಾರ, ಕೃತಿಕ್ ಮಾನಸಿಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನ. ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಗುಡ್ಡದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಸರೋವರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಲೇಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರೋವರ, ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ, ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ತಗೊಂಡು ಆ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಗಿತಾನ, ಲೇಕ್. ಎ ಸ್ಟೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಲೇಕ್. ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನ ಆ ಸರೋವರದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಗೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. ವೇವ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ? It is circular shape. Okay. Now here a stone is dropped into a quiet lake. waves move in circle at a speed of 4 centimeter per second. Adra waves ಏನು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? Speed of means radius is 4 centimeter per second. At the instant, suppose the radius of circular wave is 10 centimeter. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಆ radius 10 centimeter ಆದಾಗ what is the enclosed area is increasing means what is the area of circle. Okay, ಆ ಪಾಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ಲನ್ನು ಹೋದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇದಾಗುತ್ತೆ which is circular shape. So that ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇ ಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ let r be the radius of circle. correct r be the radius and a be the area of circular wave. Area of circular wave or area of circle. Okay, now you know that what is the formula for area of circular wave means the area of circle, that is pi r square. That is formula. Now what is to be given? ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? A stone is dropped into a quiet lake. Waves move in circle at a speed of at denoted by d by dt of speed is nothing but radius. dr by dt is given how much? 4 centimeter per second. Okay. Now the question, how fast is the enclosed area is increasing? How fast? How fast is nothing but find the rate. Rate denoted by d by dt of what? Area. To calculate dA by dt. When ಯಾವಾಗ್ರಿ radius become 10 centimeter. Radius 10 centimeter ಇದ್ದಾಗ what is its area? Now you know the formula for area of circular wave. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of a with respect to t. dA by dt. Pi constant. Derivative of r square. 2r with respect to different variable. dr by dt. Pi constant. So as it is, the value of r is 10. What is dr by dt value? 4. How much? 2 into 10, 20 into 4, 80 pi. Area, measurement of area, square centimeter per second. 5 mark question. Very simple problem. They will be asking final exam. Okay? Yes, problem number 6. Very simple question. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. Now the question, what is the rate of increase of circumference of circle? What is its rate of increase of its circumference? Now here let r be the radius and c be the denote circumference. Circumference of circle denoted by c anta ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, you know that what is the formula for circumference of circle? Do you remember? ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. What is that? 2 pi r. Okay, now given ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡಿ, the radius of circle is increasing at the rate at denoted by what? d by dt of what? Radius. dr by dt is given how much? 0.7 centimeter per second. Now the question, what is the rate? Rate ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? d by dt of what? Circumference. Circumference denoted by c. So to calculate dc by dt, very simple. C, you know the formula for c. Now differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of c with respect to t. dc by dt. 2 constant, 5 constant. Derivative of r with respect to different variable t. That is dr by dt. That equals 2 point. What is dr by dt? 0.7. 2 into 0.7 how much? 1.4 pi centimeter per second. So rate of increase of circumference is 1.4 pi centimeter per second. Okay. Problem number 7, most important. That problem was asked many times. That is most important problem, 5 mark, expected 2021. Okay. Now the question is, the length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per minute, and the width y of a rectangle is increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter, now the question, find the rate of change of two questions. First one, perimeter of a rectangle. Second one, area of a rectangle. Maximum times repeat agide ee problem. You previous year question collect ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, maximum times ಈ problem ಕೇಳಿದಾನೆ. Okay, very simple problem. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒಂದು ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಇದೆ. This is rectangle. Say PQRS be a rectangle. Okay, this is length, that is width. Let x be the length, y be the width. Now here adne ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, length x, width y, that is given. Okay, ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Now here the question is, find the rate of increase of perimeter and area of rectangle. Now here let A be the area of rectangle. Let A be the area of rectangle. Very simple question. And P denote, P be the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter denoted by P and ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, perimeter of rectangle. Okay, therefore what is perimeter of rectangle formula? You know, important basic formula. What is that? 2 times L plus P. That is P is equal to 2 times L means length, B means breadth or width. That is 2x plus 2y. ಇದು 1 mark ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ. And A be the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula, length into breadth. Length is x, breadth is y. This is equation. Okay. ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ, given. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate denoted by what? D by dt. ಯಾವುದು? Length, that is denoted by x, but it is decreasing. Decreasing ಅನ್ನ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ತಪ್ಪಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್, ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್. ಸೊ dx by dt is minus 3 centimeter per minute. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನ? And the width is increasing at the rate, again d by dt of width y, how much? Plus 2 centimeter per minute. Correct? ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ ನೋಡಿ, when x is equal to 10 centimeter, y is equal to 6 centimeter ಆದಾಗ find the rate of increase of change of perimeter. To find rate denoted by d by dt of what? Perimeter. Perimeter denoted by P. To find dP by dt. And rate of increase of area denoted by A. To calculate dP by dt as well as dA by dt when x is equal to 10 centimeter and y is equal to how much? 6 centimeter. To calculate dP by dt and dA by dt, very simple. You know the formula for P. P value is 2x plus 2y. So that differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of P with respect to t. dP by dt is equal to derivative of 2x with respect to different variable t. 2 constant. Derivative of x with respect to t is dx by dt plus 2. Derivative of y with respect to t, dy by dt. Substituting the values. 2. What is dx by dt? Dx by dt value is minus 3 centimeter per minute plus 2. What is dy by dt? 2 centimeter per minute. 2 into minus 3 minus 6. 2 2s are 4. that is minus 2, minus 6 plus 4, minus 2 centimeter per minute. This is perimeter. And again to calculate area, so that differentiate equation 2 with respect to t. dA by dt, derivative of a with respect to t, dA by dt is equal to, differentiate ಮಾಡಿ here x into y, product of two functions, apply product rule. What is the rule? First function as it is x into derivative of second function with respect to t, dy by dt, plus second function as it is y into derivative of x with respect to different variable t, dx by dt. Substituting the values, x value 10, dy by dt value 2, y value 6, dx by dt value is minus 3, 10 2s are 20, plus into minus, minus 6 3s are 18, 20 minus 18 2, measurement of area in square centimeter per minute. So this is dA by dt value, that is dP by dt value. Most important problem, 5 mark. ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೆಸರೇ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಒನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಓದ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ. ಏನಿದೆ? ಎ ಬಲೂನ್ which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 900 cc means cubic centimeter of gas per second. ಒಂದು ಬಲೂನ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಾಟೆಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಗಾಳಿ ತುಂಬಿದಾಗ, ಆ ಬಲೂನಿಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಇನ್ಫ್ಲಾಟೆಡ್ by pumping in 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. 1 second is cubic centimeter ನಾವು gas fill ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, 900 cubic centimeter. ಹೌದಾ? Now the question, find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the volume is 15 centimeter. One way the volume of the spherical balloon 15 centimeter ಆದಾಗ what is its area of sphere, area of spherical balloon? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ನಮಗೆ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು, ಏನೇನು? ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್. ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ V be the volume of spherical balloon and R be the radius of spherical balloon. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮು, ಒಂದು ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಆ ಬಲೂನ್ ನಾವು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಶೇಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅದು ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್. ಆ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಆದಾಗ ಯು ನೋ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಬಲೂನ್? ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ? 4/3 pi r cube. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದನ್ನ. ಹೌದಾ? ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಓದ್ತಾ ಬನ್ನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter. ನೋಡಿ, cubic centimeter ಅನ್ನೋದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? whether it is in belongs to area? No. Is it belongs to in height? No. Is it belongs in radius? No. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? cubic centimeter belongs to under volume. 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second is being inflated by pumping at the rate of 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. So what is to be given? D by dt of volume is given 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Now here find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To find the rate denoted by d by dt of what? Radius r. To find dr by dt when yavagri volume becomes 15 centimeter. Volume 15 centimeter idaga what is its that is rate of increase of radius. Now here how to solve? So first to calculate dv by dt. Okay, dv by dt solve ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ ಅಥವಾ put now v is equal to 15 centimeter in equation 1. What happened? 15 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube as it is. ಹೌದಾ? that I will not necessarily direct mode solve ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಏನು differentiate equation 1 with respect to t. Derivative of v with respect to t, dv by dt, 4 by 3 constant, pi constant, derivative of r cube, derivative of x cube, 3x square. Here 3r square, but with respect to different variable t into dr by dt. Alright? This implies now here dv by dt value 900 is equal to 4 by 3. Now I think 3 cancel. 4 pi r square. What will I write as this dr by dt value? To calculate dr by dt, so write as dr by dt. Right? Now divide both sides by 4 pi r square, so that 900 divided by 4 pi r square is equal to dr by dt. No, 4 in the divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. 4 1s are 4 2s are 8. 1 ಉಳಿತು 10 ಆಯಿತು 4 2s are 8. That is 2 ಉಳಿತು 4 5s. Correct? So that is dr by dt is equal to 225 divided by pi r square. Okay. Now to find r. Now equation 1 gives v is equal to, but the value of v 15 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Simplify, cross multiply 3 15s are 45 is equal to 4 pi r cube. Correct? Now this implies 45 divided by 4 pi is equal to r cube. Somewhere it is mistake. I don't read. Complete again the question now. Check it. Find the rate at which radius. When the radius is 15 centimeter, not volume. Here make it correction. When the radius is 15 centimeter. Okay. The answer. This is not necessary. Make it correction. The question is, a balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when the radius is 15 centimeter. Now here dr by dt is equal to, radius is 15 centimeter, 225 divided by pi, r value 15 square. That is 225 divided by pi, 15 square value, 225. 225 cancel. 1 divided by pi centimeter per second. Not volume, and the radius is 15 centimeter. Correction mark. Okay, that is 5 mark question, most important problem. Okay. Problem number 9, similar to problem 8. 8 problem data. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius r. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the radius is 10 centimeter. Now again you know that V be the volume of sphere, R be the radius of spherical balloon. Okay. Now what is the formula? You know that volume of sphere is V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now given spherical has a variable radius. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing when the radius is 10 centimeter. So V is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now to calculate, to find volume is increasing dV by dr, not dt, because with the radius. With the radius here. To calculate dv by dr, when radius r is equal to 10 centimeter. Now here differentiate equation 1 with respect to what? Not with respect to t here, with respect to r. Because spherical has a variable radius. So that to calculate, differentiate with respect to r only. So that is dv by dr is equal to 4 by 3 constant, pi constant, derivative of r cube with respect to same variable r. What is that? 3r squared. 3 cancel. 4 pi, r value given 10 square. That is 4 pi into 10 square 100. 100 into 4 pi, 400 pi cubic centimeter per second. Okay? 5 mark question. No, ready step 5 mark.